This is Sam, and this is Katie. Katie runs a small tech company that develops artificial intelligence solutions. Sam is head of talent, acquisition and retention at a multinational. Both want to increase their company's AI capabilities. But artificial intelligence first requires human intelligence. So talent is the key to success. How can Sam and Katie attract and retain the best data scientists, programmers, and machine learning experts while making sure they are satisfied and stay on? They can find their answer in Switzerland. We've been nominated the most innovative country in the world. For so many years we lost count. In addition, we're world leaders in the application domains where AI has the most potential: healthcare, finance, and advanced manufacturing. From well-known corporations to cutting-edge startups, including unicorns. We provide the right environment for companies to thrive. We pay some of the highest salaries in the world. In fact, a data scientist's average income is about 140,000 Swiss francs per year. Plus, we're the #1 most attractive country for global talent, as well as the #1 favorite country for expats. Talents benefit from a net disposable income which is higher than average. Yet, Switzerland's favorable tax environment keeps the overall costs for the employer amongst the lowest in Europe. The framework is also beneficial for founders and investors of startups, in particular, the absence of taxation on capital gains in private assets, which means, in principle, no income tax consequences on a later sale of shares. And, if that's not enough, we are home to some of the best universities and research institutions in the world, not only in AI, producing a highly skilled and innovative workforce. Because these work so closely with industry, we're past the AI hype and make quality projects with real-world application happen. We have the highest AI patents per inhabitants in Europe. Plus, 17.6% of our AI patents are considered top impact. So, what's in it for Katie and Sam's companies? They can connect with some of the best real-world innovators. They will profit from high-impact ROI and business potential, working on quality projects with strong data and real-world impact. This means their current data scientists will want to stay, and new ones will want to work for them. They can make a safe and long-term investment thanks to Switzerland's financial, economic, and political stability. And, on their days off, their employees can enjoy some of the most beautiful outdoor spaces in the world. Just a short car or punctual train ride away from the city. Sounds like a dream? Well, it is, and it can come true. Get in touch and let us help you with your expansion to Switzerland. Best thing, we help for free.